Common pitch deck, mistakes, and how to fix them. Insights from reviewing 82 decks. I've recently gone through 82 pitch decks over the past 4 months, and I've noticed some recurring mistakes that founders tend to make. Here's a breakdown of the most common issues and how to address them. 1. Too wordy. Your pitch deck isn't a novel. Keep it concise, highlight key information, and stick to one important message per slide. 2. Missing critical slides. Financial projections are vital. Show investors why your venture makes sense financially, including when they can expect returns. 3. Messy, complicated slides. Simplify your slides. Avoid clutter and jargon, especially for unfamiliar audiences. 4. Lack of contact information. Make it easy for investors to reach out to you by including clear contact details. 5. Poor utilization of slides. Optimize your first and last slides. They're prime real estate. Include your contact info and a concise company overview. 6. Unclear business model. Present a clear, simple business model. Focus on the main revenue streams. 7. Lack of clear value proposition or differentiators. Highlight what sets your startup apart within the limited time frame. 8. Inadequate market analysis. Avoid lazy market predictions. Provide evidence. And avoid top-down approaches. 9. Team slide issues. Focus on core team members, not peripheral connections. Reserve a separate slide for advisors if necessary. 10. Visual design problems. Ensure your deck's design reflects professionalism and attention to detail. 11. Insufficient traction evidence. Demonstrate market interest through early adopters, beta testers, etc. 12. Repetition of information. Each slide should offer new, valuable insights. Avoid redundancy. 13. Grammar. Proofread meticulously to convey professionalism and attention to detail. 14. Lack of clear roadmap or milestones. Provide a roadmap to showcase planning and ambition. 15. Inadequate competitive analysis. Offer a thorough analysis of competitors to demonstrate market understanding. 16. Missing go-to-market strategy. Detail a specific, well-defined strategy tailored to your target audience and channels. In conclusion, by addressing these common pitfalls, founders can significantly enhance the effectiveness of their pitch decks and improve their chances of securing investment.